Well, today I'm out at the village of Bowling again, which is in Western Berkshire, and the purpose of today is not actually photography, it's actually something a little different. I'm actually here to test out a little device I recently got, which is a camera windshield. So the camera I use, which is the Canon G7X Mark II, I use for all my video. The problem with it is that the built-in mic is decent for sound wise, but when it gets too windy the sound is pretty bad, and it's actually not really usable. So that's usually why I wear an audio lapel mic. However, it's not always convenient to do that, so I figured try and use this windshield as a kind of compromise to get around that. Yeah, today is fairly windy, so yeah, I'm hoping today is a good example to try out the windshield and see how it goes. Oh yeah, and the model is the skinny Micromuff windshield, just so you know. Yeah, so today is fairly windy. It's actually probably not as ideally as windy as I'd like it to be. I was hoping for it to be even more windy than it is today. In fact, yesterday was horrendously windy. It was one of the worst days we've had. I think it was with that storm alley that came in. One thing you should know about this windshield is actually that the fluff, or the hair that's on top of the Velcro, which, you know, attaches to a piece of Velcro which you can stick onto the camera, it actually stands up quite a bit, so it actually covers half the screen, so I can only see kind of the top of my face and no more. So that is a bit of a downside to using this windshield. So but you know, it's, as long as it does the job, you know, that's kind of the main thing. But I have to actually try and see my face while I'm vlogging to camera, otherwise it's kind of self-defeating anyway. But the whole idea of using this is just a kind of good compromise between not having to use the audio lapel mic and sync up the audio like I usually do, which can get a bit tedious after a while. So this is it with the windshield off, and this is it with the windshield on. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed this little video, and it's something a little different from what I usually do. It's just like kind of more like an accessory video to just doing a little bit. It's not quite actually a review as such, but it is basically just like a little accessory video that I'm doing, just something that is just different from the usual photography vlog. So there you go. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and watch more videos. Thank you.